Good morning, everyone. This is Ajay Dubey, Joint Director from Department of Defense Production. In next 10 to 15 minutes, I will be covering the make procedure in brief. This will be the presentation flow. So just coming to the promulgation of the procedure, the make as a concept was introduced in 2005 in defense procurement procedure. The aim was to involve Indian defense industry into the design and development of defense platforms and systems. Prior to that, normally DRDO was leading in design and development of defense systems. So it was thought that let us bring our Indian defense industry to be part of this journey. So this was initially promulgated in DPP 2005, then further simplified in 2016, then 18, then 20. Initially, few pilot projects were initiated, but full-fledged, it got started after 2016 only. So all the major projects were initiated after 2016. Then in 2020, Make 2 was introduced in 2016, sorry. In 2020, Make 3 was introduced. In coming slides, I will cover this all Make subcategories in brief. So objective, as I told, was to encourage the participation of Indian industry in design and development, to promote Make in India, and to promote the import substitution. As on date, this make procedure has been divided into 3 categories: Make 1, Make 2, and Make 3. Make 1 is basically for the design and development of complex or major systems and platforms. Government provides a funding of up to 250 crores in Make 1 projects to each development agency, which is either maximum cap of 250 crores or 70% of the prototype development cost. The minimum IC content that is envisaged in Make 1 is 50%. As on date, government has approved in principle 40 plus projects in this Make 1 category. The major projects which are undergoing are FRCB, Indian Light Tank, and 6 megawatt diesel engine for Navy. These are only few I have listed. There are many big platforms and systems which are approved in Make 1 category, which is funded by government. Make 2 category is for design and development of lesser complex systems or subsystems or assemblies. Though government do not provide any funding in Make 2 category, but there is an assurance of orders. Minimum order quantity is upfront declared, and it is procured from the L1 successful development agency. So there is an assurance of business in Make 2. Also, in Make 2, we accept suo motu proposals from the industry. Industries can submit their proposals to the service headquarters, and if found feasible, if they match the requirements of the services, suitable Make 2 or Make 3 project is launched on the basis of those suo motu proposals. As on date, there are more than 100 projects in Make 2 category. I have listed just 2-3. Upgradation of BMT, SOAR-based rocket, aerial fuse bomb. There are 100 plus projects in this category. Make 3, which was launched recently, the aim was there are few subsystems or spares which services import as on date. So in Make 3, design need not be indigenous, but our industry can collaborate with foreign OEMs, can get the technology, and can manufacture those spares or subsystems within the country. So in Make 3, focus is on manufacturing within the country. Design and development is not mandatory in Make 3. Like as in Make 1 and Make 2, that is mandatory. Also, suo motu proposals are accepted in Make 3. As on date, around 5 projects have been approved in Make 3 category. This is a snapshot of Make process. I won't go in detail. You can refer chapter 3 of Defense Acquisition Procedure, DAP 2020. This is a normal capital procurement process. With addition to that, here we are shortlisting the development agencies and we are giving sufficient time for design and development of the platform. Apart from that, it follows the normal capital procurement procedure. To promote MSMEs and startups, there are many relaxations and incentives which are given to MSMEs and startups. Low value projects, we call it as where the procurement is less than 100 crores per year. They are reserved for MSMEs and startups. Also, the projects where the cost is less than 300 crores, we give the financial relaxation to MSMEs and startups. We don't see their financial health if they are technically capable. Also, the projects ranging from 300 to 500 crores, we give financial relaxations to MSMEs and startups if they have technical acumen to develop these systems. In Make 2 and Make 3, for the low value projects, that is where the procurement is less than 100 crores per year, we do not see any financial health of any companies, either they are big or small. This is a relaxation for flat for all companies. In nutshell, as on date, there are more than 140 plus projects which are undergoing in the Make program. More than 50 plus projects are there where design and development is already being undertaken by the industry. There are other projects which are presently at feasibility study stage. So this is a big opportunity for the industry to come forward, to participate in these feasibility studies, to participate in this Make process, and be a part of design and development journey of various defense items. If industry want to get details of all the projects, they can visit us at makeinindiadefense.gov.in. This is our website where all Make projects and all related information you can find. Also, if any suggestions on simplification of this procedure, on any kind of relaxations or incentives that industry is envisaging, especially MSMEs and startups, you can write to us. I have displayed my mail ID here. So, thank you. I have just covered